What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm 6-Star Driver, and I hope you guys like my intro video. I was just practicing some new skills I just learned. Please like and subscribe so I can continue to bring more exclusive videos. Back to the video of the day. I will be showing you guys the restore process of a lightly damaged 2009 Infiniti G37x. Let's go. Bought this G37 expecting to do a simple plug-and-play repair, as pictures displayed at the auction shows all the parts were present. I was very disappointed when I got the car delivered and both the headlights and the bumper reinforcement were missing. Those headlights are quite expensive and very difficult to find. Luckily, I knew a guy that knows a guy. I got all the parts needed and the rest is history. Before I forget, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Like, subscribe. If you want to see more cars, more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time on my salvage videos.